Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alright, y'all boys, man, go back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV. We got a crazy ass lineup, I ain't gonna lie. Everybody pushing about 1,000,000 horsepower for real, each. We got all black wide body scat pack. Y'all already know who it is. We got supercharged SS. We got scat pack. We got a BMW 540. And we got his twin pulling up. We got G37. We got an SS. We got my 6,000,000 horsepower scat pack, and we got a C6 vet. Hell yeah, 6,000,000 horsepower. You already know, bro. I'm put it on the road to show you, bro. This the craziest lineup we done had for a video, no bullshit. All right, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
There's the reason I bought this fucking car, don't ask me why I'm speeding. Most of my bro, we banging the bees, I'm the only one that ain't bleeding. Capo look throwing up 2 guns, he'll smash shit by Lil Peter. Hold down shit and hit that shit, won't smash shit by that skeezer. Get a B&B, won't pay for shit, we'll fuck around, swipe your visa. Got on the chase of my new damn car, I had a little chalk to leave him. Seen her all.
My tires is bald as hell too, so that's why I've been feeling a little weird in my car. Every time I hit a cut, I feel like I'm sliding. I ain't gonna lie, this is the night after the last video dropped too, by the way. I'm gonna probably drop the one from last night, you know what I'm saying, before this one. I ain't got my gloves on again, bro. Let me lock in. Don't expect too much talking. The nigga just locked in, bro. Trying not to down these bald ass tires. Oh. You hear nothing but fucking noise, bro. This shit beautiful as hell. Niggas really dreamed about summer nights like this, bruh. 10 niggas on the road just dogging shit, bruh. Niggas really dreamed about shit like this. This lineup is fucking crazy, bruh. I hope I turned the 360 cam on. If I did, y'all gonna see the footage. Shout out my nigga TJ for letting me borrow his 360 though. Cause I had to ship mine back, like I said in my other video, to get the screen fixed. It's gonna be back next week though. Popping crazy flames, I ain't gonna lie. Whoa, 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 whoa. video right now. Nah, this shit crazy, boy. Bro, this shit do something to a nigga, bro. This shit crazy. Who is this C6? That's a C5? What the fuck is that? What the hell that truck got going on? We damn near taking the same route as the last video, bro. This shit hilarious. Everybody a little separated right now, but niggas gonna catch back up for sure. I need tires bad, I ain't gonna lie, this shit real noticeable. But shit, regardless though, we back at it. Bro, this video all over the place, bro. I don't know if that's a copper knot in that charger. I don't think it is. All I know is I need tires, bro. I can feel my car just slipping. Bro, this damn camera falling in my fucking eyes, bro. Can't see shit. Niggas done got so split up, bro. Stopped at the gas station, that shit fucked us all up. Every time I see a blue light, that shit break my neck. Shit popping. This long ass road. Oh shit, 12 was right there. But we somehow all made it at the same spot at the same time, somehow. They was yelling something, I don't know what they said. Tapping on brakes every 3 seconds, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, it's right here. Never mind. I'm stupid. Death passed that shit, was not paying attention. Where the hell do we turn in at right here? That's what it say. Nigga was dogging the scat, boy. I ain't trying to be here for too long, you feel me? What the fuck was that? Damn, who shit popping like that? Yo, that nigga on the bike is flying, bro. That nigga got death wish.
Even though I love my girl, no, I can't leave without my claw. Told her pack a bad bag, we finna take a trip out to New York. No niggas mad, I don't have it paid, no, I won't truck this from that mud. Baby, where you going? They gon' finna spoil you, I'm tryna fuck. If I work or not.